What's up you guys, it's David here, and today I wanted to share with you guys a breakdown of how I made $337 in 1 month using the Acorns Investing App. So sit tight, smash the like button, and let's get into the breakdown of my Acorns income. So if you guys haven't seen some of my previous videos, I've made around 5 on the Acorns Investing App, and I've been using the app for about 1.5 years now. And for the average consumer, I think the app is really good because it'll allow them to save more money than they otherwise would have. And even though it costs $1 a month in comparison to something like M1 Finance or Robinhood, which is free, if you wind up saving an extra $700-800 a year that you otherwise wouldn't have, then I think $1 a month is definitely worth it. And they have a student discount, so if you guys are a student, you can actually get it completely for free. So now for what you all clicked on the video for, we're gonna go into a breakdown of the exact amount of money I made and how I made it. And the methods in which I made the money might surprise you a little bit. So if we look at my account statement, which I have right here, we're gonna see that I made no deposits. And that's because my income has grown so much that I don't really need to penny pinch for investments every single month. I know exactly how much I'm gonna invest into all of my accounts every single month, and I have no problem hitting that goal every single month. So whenever I get to the end of the month, I basically take out that amount from my checking account and put some into my Roth IRA and then another account into my regular investing account at Robinhood. But if you guys aren't at that level yet, then Acorns could still be a great option. It can help you penny pinch for investments, which, as we know, penny pinching for investments does work. You know, every little bit does count, especially in the beginning. But aside from deposits, we are gonna see that I had $135 in found money. And that's basically whenever somebody signs up for an account at Acorns using the link in the description or in the description of some of my other videos, I get $5 and they get $5. Psst. Click the link in the description. And on top of that, we received $2.14 in dividends. And lastly, if we look into my account within the month of August, we're gonna see a $200 credit from Acorns. And that's for referring more than 5 people to Acorns within the month of July. So this is something Acorns does every now and again. So in the month of July and August this year, if you referred more than 5 people within each month, you would get an extra $200 credit added to your account. And right now in the month of September, if you guys invite 3 people to Acorns, you can get a $100 credit to your account. And in the past, they've done other promotions where, like, if you invited 5 people in 1 month, you'd get like an extra $50 credit. These past few months have definitely been the best promotions they've ever done, but they have done quite a few of these promotions where you can get extra money for referring a certain amount of people or doing certain things within a certain month. So the promotions change all the time, but for me, I generally will get at least 15 referrals per month, which means I pretty much always will get whatever bonus they're running that month. I'm gonna hit the limit for and be able to get that. But the real point I wanna make here is that sometimes it can definitely be worth it to go out and try to get a few of your friends to sign up for an Acorns account, because the normal $5 referral credit isn't really worth it. But if you take a month like September, you guys can get a $100 credit on top of the $5 that you get per person, meaning that if you refer 3 friends within the month of September, you guys can make around $38 per referral, which could definitely be worth it. So if you guys don't already have an Acorns account, be sure to use the link in the description so you guys will get $5 and I will get $5. And if any of you guys with an Acorns account want to leave your referral link in the comments below, feel free to do so. Hopefully you guys can get some referrals as well. But there's plenty of other ways for you guys to get referrals. For example, you can go onto a site like Quora and type in Acorns and then look at all the questions that people are asking and just go and answer their question with whatever it may be and just leave your link in the description under your answer. And you can even create your own blog post on sites like LinkedIn and Quora and Facebook pages and things like that. So whenever Acorns has some of these promotions like this, it can definitely be worth your time to go out and try to get a few people to use your link, whether it be online or just asking some of your friends, because you guys can sit at your couch on your laptop and just go to Quora and things like that and just respond to stuff and create like some mediocre content, and you guys can easily hit the 3 to 5 person limit that you need that month within just a few hours, at which point, for 3 hours worth of work, you're going to be making, well over $20 an hour. For example, if you went to Quora and it took you 3 hours to get 3 referrals this month, you guys would make $115 for 3 hours of your time. That comes out to about $38 per hour, which is more than most people make, and therefore it's probably going to be worth it for you. So if you have an Acorns account, be sure to watch out for some of these promotions. They're easy ways to make quite a bit of money in a short amount of time and build your account much faster than you otherwise would have. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up down below. below. If you guys are new to the channel, consider clicking that subscribe button down below. And if you guys are already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit the post notifications bell so you guys get alerted for any new videos. And with all that being said, I will catch you guys in another video. Peace.